People, yes, guys, I'm back. This is your guy, Silk Reacts. You understand? Yes, female. People, subscribe right now, please, please, and do share this video, like this video, and leave and comment. Yes, this is not a loyalty test. This is pay strangers in the trends. The world hottest pepper. Let's see if this guy gonna eat the world hottest pepper. Let's get right into it, people. Let's get right.
All right, so look, man, what's the hottest thing you ever eat?
Chili.
A chili?
Pepper, yeah.
Okay, look, man, I got
Hey,
one
the
tip.
last time I tried this hot pepper, bro, and it never worked out at all. It sent me to the washroom. It sent me to drink a lot of water, a lot of drink, bro. Like it's like my belly is hot, heat. Yes, sweating. This hot pepper is not good. Let's see if this guy can do it. Let's see.
For me, all you gotta do is swallow the whole thing. Once you think, wait a minute, then you get 40. Think you handle it?
And people, this is one. It is part two. Y'all see part one. Y'all go over there and see part one, bro. That guy, yo, that guy is sweating. They say do one for the hood. Wipe on the hood still, but they say do one. You understand? And he said no. This is part two, guys.
Yeah, I'm about to see that. Do my best. I'm gonna do my best to handle that shit.
Is that what?
Say I'm gonna do my best to
You
handle.
do your best?
Yeah,
All right, if you spit out, that's $0.
for sure. I got
I'm
you.
about to see right now.
Still $0.
Are you shaking?
I just saw what happened to his ass.
But you scared?
Nah.
Hey, what it smell like?
Not yet scared. It seems like all the lights have to be turned on.
It smell like some type of vegetable or some shit.
Okay. You shaking like you scared.
Alright.
Hey, shout out to the dog Scott, man. Scream out that shout out.
You got a little piece, you gotta eat everything in the bag, bro.
One time for my brother Scott. I'm gonna do this for Scott, bro.
Okay.
He shit.
Make sure I don't touch your face, man.
You have to finish all the chips.
Hey, you gotta eat everything, man.
Yeah, you have to finish all of it.
How you feeling right now?
Feeling the heat coming.
Feeling the heat? Like rated 1 through 10, how hot it is?
Right now it's about like a 9.
A 9? That's everything in the bag?
Yeah.
All right, now you get, hey, once you done chewing, we gotta wait a minute.
Guys. Oh, God.
How you feeling?
Spicy.
It's kicking in?
Yeah, feel
Slowly?
like I might start sweating.
I see.
What it tastes like? If you had to describe the flavor, how would you describe it?
Some type of vegetable.
Vegetable?
Type of
What type of vegetable? What type of vegetable?
Probably like jalapeno.
Jalapeno? Why your voice changing?
Cause it's spicy.
You good?
No, he's not.
Hey, once you
good.
done chewing, show the camera that you done. All right, look, now you gotta wait a minute. Hey, for the people that ain't never do it before, you recommend them to do it? Why you making all these face expressions?
That
Bro,
shit
that,
hot.
yo,
You want another
guys,
one?
do not try this stuff, bro. My subscribers, like, if you can, you can, okay? But you have to have, like, water with you. Yes. You have to have a drink with you, bro. Once you're gonna try this stunt, have a bottle of water, have a jump, have a big jump, okay? Yes.
No.
I got another one for you, man.
Don't
You
want
try to do another
another
one? Rated 1 through 10.
Fucking infinity.
Infinity.
That's the honest.
You don't got a number? It just keep going up? Damn. Got 30 more seconds. Hey, for the people that be thinking that
Hey,
the chip
look
is
at
a joke,
his
what you
face
gotta tell them?
as well. Look at his
That
face.
shit ain't no
guys.
joke.
Ain't no joke?
There's no
That shit ain't no
joke,
fucking
bro.
joke.
I look like you about to cry.
Boy, cool and working?
That shit hot, bro.
Hey, this the hottest thing you ever ate?
Yes.
You never eat nothing this hot? If you had to eat another one right now, save your life, would you eat it?
I die.
You would eat
Yeah,
another
it
one to
will
save
touch
your
your
life?
heart.
If your life was dependent on it?
Nah.
Is that serious? Damn.
That boy need a new thermostat.
10 more seconds, man. Would you ever do it again?
Never.
Never?
Never.
It's once in a lifetime thing?
Yeah, you
Appreciate you, bro. One time for Scott.
Bro, you really do it for you, Scott.
Wait,
Maybe
where you
Scott
going,
died
Gotta
man?
get something to drink?
JR.
What you about to get?
Choke.
No, you about to choke, man? Get man some water. He needs some milk.
Look at this guy here.
He needs some milk.
He needs some milk.
Main man said he needs some milk.
Let's see if Drake calm it down.
Hey,
I got the free Red
help
Bull
main man
right here.
now.
You want it for the free Red Bull?
Nah, he don't want Red
You
Bull.
need some water?
Yo, we do it for Scott. Scott, anywhere in the world you are, you understand. I don't know if you die or in jail or you run away or somewhere. Yes, God bless you, Scott. God bless you, Scott. This guy rate you, Scott. To be honest.
You think water gonna calm it down?
Probably not.
You don't want to get a slushy?
Yeah, I should get a slushy.
He's crying.
Hey, hold on. She got the cup. Damn, why you crying, bro? Cup. You might as well put the cups out here. They
Bro,
gonna
if
be-
you have guys out here, bro, if you have guys out here, like a lot of guys doing this thing, if you have a lot of guys doing this thing, yes, it's a good money making. Like you can easily well make money. You understand? Let's flush it off, bro. Let's give yourself 2 hours. Eat that, 1 hour you feel the pain. Yes. And then you just go and drink some water. Give a next hour again. Go to someone else. Because each time you get 40, so that's 80. You understand?
all day.
You know that's prohibited from you taping in the gas station.
Huh?
That's prohibited from you taping in here.
What? How you feeling?
Like I'm on fire.
Like you on fire?
Like my throat just.
Like your throat what, bro?
Wait.
Just, huh? Let's see if that slushy calm me down.
That felt better.
It felt better?
Yeah, that feels better, bro.
What it went down to? You said it was infinity. Where is that right now?
Probably like a 20. I know you said 1 through 10, but that shit ain't no 10.
Ain't no 10?
Hell no.
Hey,
Why you coughing, bro? You sick?
The way my insides feel right now,
Yeah.
I feel like I'm burning up.
For that.
You burning up?
Hell yeah.
Huh?
What you look paying for that?
$40. You ready for another one now?
Yeah,
No.
then you have to pay.
You got the
them
drink
more.
now. You might as well get another one.
I'm good.
You still getting the water?
You
Yeah,
have to
just
give
get out
them
the water,
like
right?
$1,000, bro. $1,000.
Damn, man. Hey, what you gotta tell the people that be thinking that the chip is a joke?
You a fool.
Yeah.
Fool?
You a damn fool. You think that's a joke.
Hey, you thought bro was overreacting?
Hell no. I saw it in the face.
You saw it in his face, huh? Yeah, at first he was trying to put on for the camera, but I ain't gonna lie. Like the chip was nothing.
Mm-hmm. Nah, he wasn't lying. He'll wait for it to soak in. When you first bite it, it's nothing.
It's what? So when you first bought it, what?
Bro, you can't.
It's nothing. But when you chew it, you swallow it fast.
You gotta give her the bread, bro. That boy can't even think straight right now.
Oh my god.
He's trembling, bro.
You about to get something else?
You okay? Hey,
Not right now.
you okay?
I'm on fire right now.
Damn, man. You try to do one more for the hood, though? For the hood. I know you ain't gonna let the hood down like that.
This guy is tripping. I bet he'd better not try this with a Jamaican. He will get a lot of bad words. A lot of
My boy
swearing.
Scott, I can't even talk.
Scott died. Okay. Rest in peace. R.I.P. Scott.
I'm saying. You was talking earlier good, bro. What's going on? Never again, huh?
Every time I swallow the ice, the spice just come right back.
Come right back.
Yeah, bro. All right, thank you.
I would say every time you talk, the spice come right back, man.
That shit not funny, bro.
You said what?
That shit ain't funny.
Ain't funny?
Hell no.
Ain't no game, huh?
Nah, ain't no game at all.
I
For
don't know,
real.
bro. The people, they be thinking that it's a game, bro.
Uh-uh.
It's because they ain't ever do it before.
Ain't no game. Guys, subscribe right now. World Hottest Pepper.
They tripping. I might need a whole nother slushy.
Hell yeah.
The spice not going nowhere, bro.
You ain't going nowhere?
Hell no.
Still a 20, where is that?
Still, shit like a 40.
Spice is not
40?
easy.
So it went up. What's the point of drinking icy?
I thought it was gonna help. It's it's not.
You good?
Yeah, I'm straight. I'm straight. Where you get that from, bro?
Where I get it from?
That shit should be illegal.
It should be illegal. Why you say that?
That shit too hot.
Why should it be illegal?
That's too hot. I feel like I almost died.
Why you say that?
When I was chewing it, I was straight. And when I swallowed it, it's like all the heat just hit me at once. Through my whole body.
Your whole body?
Especially my throat, no homo.
What? Yeah.
Bono.
That shit ain't no joke, bro. And it stays with you. It don't go nowhere, it just stay with you, bro.
Still a 40.
Yeah.
It's with you.
Like you just see it.
Man, you might as well not even drink the icy, then we ain't doing that.
The ice is the only thing that's, I don't even think water would have helped.
Yeah, water is not even
Water
helping,
wouldn't
guys.
help.
Yeah.
Because this ice. The
Yeah.
ice is helping. But not the
Oh.
water. Mm-mm.
Alright, man. So today we here with Mickey Mouse.
Bro, where is Mickey Mouse going, bro? Today we're here with Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse, I don't know. Guys, maybe I will give you another one. You understand? As a part 3. But guys, you reach the end of the video. Thank you very much. I respect everyone. You understand? Thank you for the followers on my Instagram. Thank you for the subscribe. Thank you for following, like as in subscribe to One Code Music channel on YouTube. Thank you for even follow me on TikTok. Silk Reacts. Yes, guys, the world hottest pepper. Like, fair enough, is paying strangers to eat the world hottest pepper, but bro, you have to pay more. It is hot for real, guys. My subscribe. It is hot. Yes, make it hotter. Subscribe right now. Thank you very much to reach the end of this video. People, I'm out.